Hey, how's it going, YouTube? This is Sick Eric with another video, and I don't know if you guys are just tuning in, but I recently ordered the G7 back when it launched, which was a couple weeks ago, and I had issues with it. This is a replacement unit that I just got yesterday, so this is my day with the LG G7. Now, the unit I had before was having issues, like as far as a whole bunch of apps crashing, and it lagged a little bit, and it just wasn't running as smooth as I wanted it to be. And the apps crashing were kind of an annoying thing. This is the T-Mobile variant, and yeah, this is my day with this. I've already had another video on it. I believe it was like a 4 days with the LG G7, but this is my day and I'm happy with it. No issues whatsoever. Snapdragon 845 processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, really nice IPS LCD display. You do get a notch. Dual 16 megapixel cameras on the back. One is a wide angle camera with the field of view of 107 degrees. Fingerprint sensor on the back. Got your flash. Really nice device. I'm so glad that it's working properly right now. I guess it was just my unit that was defective, but I'm happy with this. Audio, of course, is amazing. You got your 32-bit hi-fi quad DAC, headphone jack. You get your dedicated Google button, which is their AI button, if you want what you want to call it.
Results from the web.
All right, shut up. But it is pretty much the Google button. Hopefully you get options with future software updates to remap this button. That would be pretty cool. But like I said, this is my just in case you guys are just tuning in, I got this phone back when it launched. Was having issues, was not working the way it's supposed to be working. I returned it through buyer's remorse and canceled out my whole jump JOD with T-Mobile, and then they did a new one and shipped me out this one. No shipping cost. It was free, and I just got this on Friday, which was yesterday, and so far so good. No issues. I love this device, and I think I shall be keeping it, hopefully, if nothing goes wrong. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share my experience with you guys. The LG G7 ThinQ, excellent device. No issues with this unit. So if you guys are having any issues with your unit, be sure to comment down below. I would love to hear from you, and return that hoe. Like, get a different one, because you won't be disappointed. There is no light bleed on this. The display is perfect. I was worried about getting another unit and having some issues with the display, but no, display is perfect on this device. 4 gigabytes of RAM is awesome. It's fast, it's snappy, no issues whatsoever. I don't have any crashes like when I used to go into my music player. I go into settings and start messing around. It would automatically just kick me out of it. I couldn't do anything. If I go into another app, it'll kick me out. So far, I've just had Facebook close out me once, and that was yesterday. Other than that, no issues whatsoever. So it was just my particular unit. This unit is running beautifully, and I have to say, this is a really nice device. I love it. Hopefully this time around it goes by a lot smoother, and I will let you guys know. Stay tuned for future videos as far as comparisons and my full review on this device coming up in the weeks to come. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell. That way you get notified on future content releases. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.